My name's Sally, and the guide dog you can see is my guide dog Sienna. I thought I'd show you what she does when we get to a rubbish bin obstacle. Now this one she could have gone round to the left, but didn't want to take me onto the grass, or take herself onto the grass, I'm not sure which. So I opted to show me where the rubbish bin was there. So I give her a treat for showing me the rubbish bin's blocking the path, and tell her to find the way. And she puts herself on the path, but takes on the grass, but takes me around via the path. So that's one of the important jobs that a guide dog will do. They will stop when there's a curb or a rubbish bin or an overhanging branch or something like that to show their handler. And it's very useful because instead of the handler using the cognitive load that they would have to when they found an object with their cane, it makes it far less stressful and easy to walk or easy to move around. That's one of the reasons I like switching to a guide dog, because when you use your cane, it is an object finder, and you have to figure out what the object is, figure out what the safe way around is, and use a lot of energy to either see out of the little vision you've got or use your other senses. And sometimes that can be quite stressful, and it can make you arrive somewhere very fatigued. So having a guide dog like Sienna actually lets you go around obstacles without even knowing they're there sometimes. Have a great week.